Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox a new Echo Alexa. You know what? I just went into the dentist away and it was so fun.
What the dentist did to your teeth?
She was checking it.
Yes, she was checking it. What?
My teeth.
Her teeth and what else? They are okay?
Yes.
Okay. When you will come again there in the dentist?
I will come again then after 6 months. Come on guys, join me to unbox this new Alexa.
This new Alexa? Yes, this is a new Alexa?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I have my own
wait.
Alexa.
Okay. I will leave it up and then you remove the box, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Wow. Yay!
There it is. Come on, let's put the box here.
Okay.
And then,
Oh my god, look.
see what is that? Can you please...
Alexa is happy to help.
wow, come on, let's unbox it.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I wanna keep it.
Let's just put it here for a while.
Okay.
And then what's here?
We have to put, it says here we have to do it like this.
Okay. Come on, do it.
That's
Very
okay.
good.
Yay.
Okay.
Now, we do this.
Maybe it's already open.
How to open it?
Come on, I will help you.
Okay.
You hold here on the other side, please.
Okay.
Here. Here, hold this. Oh, see?
Thank you,
And
Mommy.
then-
Wow. Let's take what's inside, guys.
Okay.
This
See?
is so exciting.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, wow.
What's inside?
I don't know. Maybe
This one you need to open.
maybe wires.
What is this?
Wow, wires.
Ah, this is the plug.
Oh yeah. This is the plug for the Echo Show.
Next is... wait.
Oh my God.
So we need to... wait. I will help you. I will help you to remove the box, okay?
Okay.
Remove the box, please.
Okay.
Alright.
Hey.
So here now is this guy. That's the... what is it?
Instructions. This is the book.
Yeah. Instructions, manuals. Okay.
We need
Now put
this.
it back there, please.
Alright, this is the guy, the new Alexa Echo Show. Remember, guys?
What is it?
Oh my God, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, the head actually spins.
Yeah, so 360 degrees. Moving this, the show.
Yo.
And then let's turn it on. Can you turn it on?
Wait. And also you can put it up or down, but you can't do left or right is up or so and it also spins. It also spins. Yo. I love this Alexa.
Let us Alexa.
I love this Alexa.
Okay. So we need to plug it in first. Yeah?
Well,
Now
guys,
after we plug it in,
Wait,
now it's... what you doing?
I'm cleaning.
You're cleaning. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's Echo. See? So we need
English.
to select the language. Which language?
English.
Ready for setup.
We need to set it English.
Okay, wait.
So guys, we need to connect the internet.
Alright, so we choose already the language before, yeah? And
I-
now, need to connect the network. Can you
Yes.
press the MBS IoT?
MBS lot. Here we go.
IoT.
IoT. Where is IoT?
MBS IoT.
Where is this one?
Yeah. Okay, so we need to type the word password. That is, I will be the one.
Alright.
And done.
Bam.
And connect.
Connect. Yay. It's connecting, guys. Look. Our new Alexa is connecting.
Yeah.
Yippee.
Hi, Marcus. And then done.
Done.
Sign in.
Sign in.
So we need to verify the Amazon account of Papa.
I will ask the code.
Yeah.
Just wait for him.
Yeah.
Just wait for me here.
Go on, go on.
You need the two-factor authentication, no?
Of course.
So, click on. Is it on?
Authenticator app.
So,
The
let's.
code.
No,
So-
it comes via
So let's
Verify
click on
device.
it comes via SMS.
This
So let's.
Amazon account requires a verification code to complete sign in. To register this device, enter the code sent to your phone or authenticator app.
Make it Echo Show 10 so we know it's the big one.
Then
Okay, 10.
Because 5 is the small.
Can I? Done. Continue.
choose wallpaper.
Vertical wallpaper, photos or seasonal or nature. Or travel or art, what you like. Nature?
Nature then. Nature be. Yeah. Continue.
Continue.
Yeah.
Uploading.
Updating.
Updating. Install now.
As I install the updates, this device will restart twice.
Wow!
Come
We
on.
need to wait the update for our new Alexa Echo Show. Alexa, stop.
Alexa is talking there because she heard her name there. She heard her name.
Yeah. Alexa.
So we need to wait our Echo Show to update this. It's installing. So now it's continue now. Updating is already finished. Can you please read it?
Your Echo Show can help you monitor allow members of your household to live in to live stream this Echo Show camera anytime, anywhere through Alexa app and connected deliver such
devices.
such is it such?
Yep.
Such as another Echo Show is independent
And indicator
indicator will appear when someone in your household is streaming the camera. The camera learn more.
yeah, enable.
Enable.
All set and done. Alexa is spinning.
Where is your Echo Show place? This will help you set the best range of
Motion
motion.
on an island, against a wall, in a corner. I guess we will put Alexa against a wall. Can you press the against a wall?
So this shows how far you deliver when device will rotate slide the endpoints if endpoints if you'd like to have adjusted. Save. Now use the slider to set the ideal position. This where the screen will face when not in use. Next. All set. Continue.
Press it again. Okay. Wait.
Oh.
So, okay. Say no thanks.
No thanks.
Almost done.
This device is ready.
So, can you call her name?
Alexa.
Show me the recipe of chocolate muffin.
Okay, for chocolate muffin, here are a few recipes. And lots more.
Okay. Alexa, show me the apple pie, please.
Okay, for apple pie, here are a few recipes. And lots more.
I love apple pies.
Alexa,
Follow me.
Following is now on.
Alexa is following you.
Oh, that's creepy, but it's so cool. Hello? Alexa, go home. Alexa, follow me.
Following is now on.
Alexa, play music.
Here's Spotify.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, show recipe of hummus.
Okay, for hummus, here are a few recipes. And lots more.
Alexa, play Dua Lipa song.
Dua Lipa Radio from Marcus Spotify.
Radio.
Alexa, show Skylar's room.
Okay.
Alexa, Skylar's room on. Skylar's room. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Bye-bye.
Alexa, show outside.
Did you mean outdoor bag?
Yes.
Okay. Outdoor bag isn't responding.
Ay.
Please check its network connection.
Alexa, show camera hall.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Move away. Move.
Hi.
Move more.
Mommy. Hi.
Alexa, stop.
Alexa, follow me. Okay, guys, this is our new
Here's something
Alexa
I found
Echo
on
Show.
Wikipedia. Television programs may be
Alexa.
fictional or not.
Stop. Okay, guys, this is our new Alexa show. Click the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Bye. And also, if we want to cook a recipe, we will ask her. The new Echo Show. Okay, guys, bye. And also make sure to buy this new Echo Show.
Okay.
Bye.